Hello, today I'm going to teach you on how to do 3D flip on Funimate. Want this? Alright, let's start. First go to 3D scene and add your first clip and scale it if you want. Now click the view button and adjust the custom view so you can add your second clip. You can adjust it however you want. I'm so sorry if my explanation is hard to understand. Now add your second clip. After that, go to transform and change the position Z to 100. Now go to view and change it to default. Now select the parent layer and make the two clips as the child. Now go to transform and add keyframe at the start and at the end of the rotation Y. At the end keyframe, change it to 180. Now copy my graph. You can always change the graph if you don't like it. It's so laggy, lol. We're not finished yet. After that, you can add some effects to make it look cool, just like this. First, click your first clip and add bevel edges. Thickness 5, intensity 20, light angle -60. After that, copy the effect and paste it at the second clip. Now exit the 3D scene. Now add the effect light sweep. Intensity 18. Now at the position, add keyframe at the start and end, and at the start keyframe put the position above, and the last keyframe put it down. Please just watch carefully. Now you're done. Please like, share and subscribe so you don't miss my tutorials. And my school is starting soon, so I won't be active. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.